2011 Ford F-150 EcoBoost XLT. Still got factory converters there and there. Then we continued it and did a muffler delete right there. 2.5-inch pipe. And then continued the 2.5 stock all the way back into a 4-inch angle cut black tip right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. So it's got a muffler delete and a black angle cut tip. You can hear it spool. Sound decibels. Go ahead. About 96. It's probably around 100 actually. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ford F-150 2011. So much traffic.